In this video, I'll be showing you how to split your screen when using an ultra-wide monitor. Here you can see that I'm using a Samsung Viewfinity ultra-wide 34-inch quad monitor. So I want to split my screen when, for example, you want to be viewing double screen at the same time, but using just this one monitor. So here you can see I have Microsoft Edge and I have Google Chrome. But I want to split both of them so that I can be using both browsers at the same time and not on a different monitor. So what you do is just on your keyboard, if you are using a laptop or an external keyboard, you can just click on the start menu, and there, first of all, you need to click on what you want to actually split. So click on the start menu, and then you can see the left arrow on your keyboard. Click on it, and automatically it's going to bring up a different browser, what you want to actually put on the other screen, which I'm going to select my Microsoft Edge. And here we go. You can see right now we now have both screen parallel. So we can now just start typing. For example, you can type a random website. I can just type, because I live in Belgium, bold.com. And here you can just type, for example, I can just type. So you can see now I now have two different websites, but I can view them at the same time on a very ultra wide screen, which of course is very big, because if I just try to just do this on one of the screen, you can see how it looks here. It looks very, very big, and you can see how big the screen is. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video. My name is Kelvin Johnson, and please, if you have any question concerning your Windows 11, Windows servers, Microsoft Intune, Microsoft Office, you can always send me a personal message and I will reply to you as quick as possible.